Hello guys, this is your guy Tech. Welcome back to our channel. On this tutorial, we are going to identify some different parts of phones, their names, and so that when you see them, you're able to know what and what is this on a phone as a technician. So now the phone is open already. This is Smart 5. So though all panels they are almost the same. So the same thing you see here is what you see that thing. So the same name. So they are all the same. So we're going to use Smart 5 for this tutorial. So let's start now with this. Yes. So this is called a Powerflex. Yes. So call it Powerflex. Some people call it power key. But when you say power key, you might focus on just this power button. Yes. But when you say Powerflex, the people will just understand that the full flex as a whole is a Powerflex. Hope it's clear. Yes. So this is the Powerflex. Then next, on this phone, if you look very well closely, this is a battery connector terminal. Yes. So this one is on the panel, battery connector terminal. So when you want to describe the problem, it's okay, the battery connector terminal is bad, is broken. So one might easily understand what you are saying. Then why this is the screen connector. Yes. So this is the screen connector. Yes. So where you connect your screen. Then this is the screen clip. We call it the flex. So the clip where you clip into the screen connector. Yeah. So why this is a fingerprint connector. Yes, the fingerprint. You see the frame here where the fingerprint sits. So on different phones, so their fingerprint connector can sometimes some own can be here. So depends on the phone. So just watch out for where each of them is, where you clip the fingerprint connector. So now let's move now to this place. This is the speaker. It's very obvious. This is the speaker. So when you see that this is the front speaker. So though sometimes not all phones have front speaker. Sometimes the front speaker for some phone might also be the loudspeaker. But like this very phone, it has a front speaker and it has a down speaker, which we go there later. Then these are the lights. So when you on the touch, these three lights will shine. And also used for camera as well, flashlights for camera. So these are the two cameras, yes, on the phone. All these are for network, yes, network signals, yes, so you help you to drag in the network. Then this one is a network wire, yes, a network wire, network cable. You can call it network wire or network cable. So this cable is connected to the downboard, so which will take you to later on this video. So some of these phones, some don't have this network cable. So the way they are designed, some don't have the network cable, so they can work without this network cable. They can have a strong signal. But while on this particular phone, without this cable, this phone won't have a strong network signal. So just be watchful. So when you are operating on such phone like this, make sure you don't temper or wound this cable, this very head. Be careful when you want to pull it out in a safe way and gently way, so that you won't have any issue with the phone. So this is the front camera. Yes, this is the front camera. So it has so clear. This is the back cameras. Now let's take you now to the downboard area. Yes, this is where the downboard area. On this area, there are a lot of things that's happening here. So let's dive in now to that particular place. So we'll lose this phone now. Alright, if you are new to this channel, please just do well to hit on the subscribe button and share this video to other people. Thank you. We are done. This is it. So now this is the downboard area. You can call it downboard. This is a downboard. Yes, this is a downboard. So you can call this downboard, or we call it charging board. So when you are searching for it, either you use downboard or you use a charging board. So when you see charging board, you go bring out charging board for you. Don't be confused. It's also called charging board. So because majorly the charging port is here, so this is the charging port on the downboard. Now this is that network cable or network wire. You see it is connected to the charging board. Yes, if you look very well closely, you see this thing that look like a flat tire. It's called a vibrator. That's why when they call you, your phone will, so that thing that on your phone, this is the cause of it. So the vibrator does that work, so it vibrates the phone. So this is the screen flare. So on this place, and all pass through this place. So that's why sometimes when this very clip has an issue, because this clip is connected to the screen, so when this clip has an issue, or there's a pin that is broken, either your sound might not be working, your charging port might not be working, your vibrator might not be working, so some things might stop working. Even the mouthpiece is connected through this place. So you see, this is the downboard. So it does a lot to this phone. Then this is a speaker flex. Yes, so the speaker flex. So these two go place. That is where the 2 points of the speaker, as you can see, these 2 points touch this place. So when they touch this place, it will produce sound. But if this place is not touching this place, there will be no sound. So sometimes your phone might be having speaker issue. It might not be that your speaker is bad, but it might be that it's not contacting. So sometimes what most technicians do, they'll just add a lead on this very place to heat it up a little, so that it will get closer to this pin and can have a good contact. So when there's a good contact, the phone will stand out. So these are just some of the identification I'm going to show you on this panel, the major ones that you need to know. Our next tutorial will identify these little things you are seeing here. These little things, what are they called? So we're going to identify them in our next video. So thank you for staying tuned, guys. Stay blessed and see you in our next video.